Okay, what do we got?
Okay. Let's set up. This best you do it manually like this. You can do the same way as many times you want. You know, the same. This is like a basic menu mode.
Okay.
I will do. This is basic manual. Let me do an automatic. Okay, this is right here. You go automatic here. Okay. Now I will do this.
Okay. Manual sport. Okay.
One pedal.
And that's the other pedal is for going back the other way.
The other way.
Okay. All right.
We'll switch automatically.
Oh, okay.
Go to that
Oh, okay.
different band. That's an auto.
Okay.